I was getting the sound from my microphone, but nothing else. Ooh, Arathi Basin. You can't use Displacer Beast in the starting zone. I think that's weird. You and me, baby, we gotta go defend.
Defend which one?
Let's defend.
That guy's got the purple elec.
Hell yeah, dog. Let's see. If I roll over 50, we go to Lumber Mill. If I roll under 50, we go to Mines. We go to Lumber Mill. Strategy. At its finest. Hey, we don't lose this one. The other day we came back from like a fucking 400 point loss, and then we spawned in, and then we were winning like hell, dude.
These nuts.
These nuts.
Classic purple elec rider.
Oh, I gotta get on a cool mount. What's a cool mount? What's the coolest mount you got?
Purple elec.
You're right.
I don't have any cool mounts. I like that one a lot, the one you're on, the Black War Tiger.
Do you own it?
Yeah.
Let's ride this into battle, dude.
Black War
Same
Tiger.
mount. Showing them the business. Ooh, let's get it. Oh, this guy's got it too. The business. Look at that. Alright, Lumber Mill ho!
To the lumber mill, to the lumber mill.
To the lumber mill.
To the lumber mill, to the lumber mill.
I really wish I could have a better computer that could record better, because if I ever posted this to YouTube, they'd just see all of the textures popping in 10 feet in front of me.
Is it that bad?
I play with it on low.
Let's see if I can snatch it up.
It's gonna be me, baby.
It is.
You ain't dead. I got you healing. I got you healing over here. Don't even worry about it, mate. As netted, can't cleanse the nets. Classic. You ain't dead. Get in there, baby. Nasty. I'm being open on by a hunter. I'm being really open
Trying to
on
go
by
for
a
their
hunter.
healer. And that hunter. I'll just go for the hunter.
Sounds good to me, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give him some entangling roots. Some roots of entanglement. Is that an alliance guy over there? It is. How you doing, Doc? Rip. Somebody died.
That healer is just invincible.
Oh,
Interrupted her regrowth. She's at half health.
Oh. I don't do any damage. I tried to root her. It didn't work.
My stupid... I need to unbind that. Remind me to unbind the shift space thing.
You ain't getting nothing over here, boy. He's trying to get the flag again.
I'm coming back. I'm stupid and went to the road.
Oh no, why you do that?
Because I was chasing the healer and I didn't realize I went that far.
Oh my goodness, come kill this guy. He's got nothing.
Oh cool, I got blasted off. Now I'm dead. Landed in the water.
How did this happen? Look at where I am. Hey.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's weird.
I should probably come down.
Probably.
Strange.
I got blasted right into the river, though.
That is lucky. Stables!
Should we go stables or stay lumbermill? We'll stay lumbermill.
Okay.
Making executive decisions.
Sounds good to me, dog. We should probably get lumbermill. Or stables. There's a ton of them over there, though. That means they have to leave one node, like, a little bit unprotected.
Probably gold mine?
Yeah, we got people going to gold mine right now.
Because they have blacksmith and stables, tons of guys.
The one guy that just went gold mine is dead, and the other one is running away, so... That's no good. 5 horde at blacksmith visible.
They actually divide it evenly with 5 at each.
That's crazy.
Oh, or maybe taking back stables.
Got a good old battle going on over there. I'm gonna stay here because I like to defend gold mine, or lumber mill, I mean. I'm gonna get rid of Firecat because I feel like I'll be stealthier. Wait, I'm gonna go stealthy and I'm gonna go in the bush.
Ooh, dang.
Added protection right there, dude. I think they're gonna get it back.
Hope not.
It looks like it. Oh no, there's a healer over there, like doing work. Look at all the healers in this place.
Got 4 of them.
Hell yeah. Oh, they got reinforcements going to stables. Don't all leave, you dumbasses. Don't worry, dog, I won't. I'm smart, I'm loyal. I stay loyal to my lumber mill. Fuck
Yeah.
it. Fuck it.
Oh, they're going in for a raid on the blacksmith.
I know, I'm watching that on a map there, eh? Look at that.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, hey. Bye-bye. We only left none people at stables.
None. Wow, cool.
I said stables, I meant farm. There's one guy, but like... One guy's about to have to 1v2. I don't want to leave because then we leave this base.
Then we leave this one, yeah.
People should just evenly divide between 3 bases. Just 5, 5, 5. So easy. Oh. Pal Huntress isn't going to get it. See her down there? She's about to perish. She's dead. And there goes the farm. Bye-bye, farm.
Wow.
Should I go back there and like, ninja take it? Because I don't want to leave. That's the problem. Because they're going to sit there until it's theirs. Oh, wait. There is a druid over there. Somewhere. What the hell? There's a druid like right at the farm. I just can't see him. But I can't fuck with you anymore. Put in work like my time sheet. You know she's balling off me. Person's only got 1 heirloom. Figured I'd call out the siege that's about to happen, Greg. Get ready.
Oh, I'm ready.
Good. So many of them. Oh, they turned around. They're going back to the
JK.
farm. JK, they went back to farm, guys. I'm not going to say JK, but whatever. And everyone leave. Classic. This is how PvP goes. I like this battleground because I don't know. You just sit here and then there's bursts of action. It's pretty good stuff. Oh, are they gonna try to make a siege up here? At least one person or two? Oh, could it be 5 people? But who could it be?
I want something to happen.
Oh, somebody's coming up. I like the being in stealth and then just sitting here and then like out of nowhere just pop out. Ready? Get the go on mode. You thought this was gonna be easy? I should probably heal that guy. Holy shit, dog. You're welcome. Holy Christ.
I was almost blasted off again. Blast it off again!
I was gonna say that. I was gonna say, blast it off again!
Interrupted his heal.
Classic. I'm being fucked up.
Ooh.
By one hunter. You're fucked in the ass. Just free casting on me, dude. Get the fuck out of here. I gotta save this no geared piece of shit. He's taking the flag, he's taking the flag. Oh, I'm being opened on.
Tiger.
What do you think that means?
I don't know. Shit.
Classic. I knew he was gonna go for the blast me off the edge again maneuver, and I didn't want that to happen to me, so didn't let it happen to me. Easy as that. Moses, go down. I'm going in for the Moses kill. Oop. In the wrong form. If I get kicked right now, I'm dead. Hey, you didn't kick me. I really don't want that hunter to get away. I rooted him. Get that guy, please. Oh my goodness. They didn't get him. Their siege was unsuccessful.
Yes.
Don't chase them, guy. What are you doing?
Ooh. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. Just their entire freaking team.
I'm dead. Yeah, their whole team's here. We just gotta go.
Alright. I'm dead.
I want to avoid death, so I'm gonna run away.
Yeah, they really wanted lumber mill.
Yeah, they did. Holy shit. Ah, he's immune to the bullshit. Horde Zerg to LM. That means they have something open. Go somewhere, please.
Blacksmith only has 2 people.
Are you there?
Yeah.
I'm going. I gotta parkour on the boxes. Oh, I did it. Run towards the opening, or whatever.
The opening, whatever.
Never mind, I got you. They don't know I'm here. Just stay where you are. They don't know I'm here. I have no idea. Wow. The sneak. Oh, I gotta cleanse that guy. Get me in range, baby.
Silenced, stunned, stunned. Oh, they're immune to everything. Alright, let's switch Hunter.
Sounds good. Classic got the flag. Oh, cleanse nothing. Fantastic. How does he do it? There's a guy on me
There's
over
that
here.
Hunter again.
There's quite a few people over here.
Alright.
Oh,
Ooh, they're all coming.
they didn't like that.
No. I guess that's their strategy now.
Zerging. That hunter is just getting pocket healed, so just don't even fuck with him. It's useless. Oh, are they trying to get it back? No, dog. Hey, Zerging this shit, boy.
We got it.
But at what cost?
Our lives.
Yeah, no, really. Or no joking. Oh, I did it! It even shows it in the video. You know that you cast and then I just like move, so it interrupts the cast, and then they just fuck up. I did that shit again.
Gonna go for Moses.
What was this?
Even though he's backpedaling like crazy, I'm not gonna go for Moses anymore.
Sounds like a good idea. Cleanse that 1 second debuff off of you.
Oh, that's enemy. Okay.
Scratching my hand. Oh, I think I'm in the thing. That's why I'm slowed.
They have 3 now. So that means we
Jedi.
Jedi.
What are you doing, Jedi? I can't leave you, dog. You know I gotta go with you. Plus, there's a
With
whole
me?
bunch. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of people at Blacksmith. Anyway.
Vladimir Putin.
Whole bunch of people at Vladimir Putin. Whole bunch of people at Vladimir Putin. Right. I'm coming in for the siege on the mines. Need a 3rd node now. Let me go ahead and get that for you. Got it.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. Hey, we got it.
Wow!
Easy, baby.
Holy crap.
Did I get the most bases assaulted? Oh, that one guy got me by 1. Healing done, I got outdone. I got smoked by that disc priest. Still felt good about it. Where are you at? You should be top, right? Oh, you're next to top. The only person in front of you is that guy that had that pocket healer the whole time. Hell yeah.